sneezes, chest colds. A weekend of holiday gatherings has local healthcare professionals on high alert for cases of the flu, RSV, and COVID.
The whole three. Chief investigative reporter Sam Smink is here on how you can keep yourself and your loved ones healthy. And Sam, I know you're fighting off a cold. Everybody does not want to get sick right now.
I am fighting off a cold, but don't worry. I am wearing a mask anytime I leave my desk, and my desk is a little bit out in Siberia, so no one has to worry about getting anything from me. Well, respiratory season hit harder and faster than normal this year, and while we did see a decrease in flu cases over the last 2 weeks, medical professionals expect an uptick following this weekend.
Definitely there's going to be an uptick in cases. We're hoping it's not going to be like a volcano that's erupting, but definitely going to be an uptick in cases.
Dr. Paul Anthony, an infectious disease specialist at Hartford Healthcare, says now is the time to pay attention to your health.
Over the next week, like if you feel sick, stay home, don't contaminate others.
Holiday gatherings increased the likelihood of giving or receiving one of the top 3 respiratory illnesses, RSV, the flu, or COVID, currently hitting the country hard right now.
Get tested, not only for your family and friends, but also for yourself. Because for both the flu and COVID, if you get tested early, there are medications that can help change the dynamic of the disease in you where it's not as severe as it could normally be.
And with New Year parties still on the way.
If you don't feel well, it's maybe not the best time to visit your family and friends so that you don't share stuff with them.
Doctors share many of the same symptoms.
The usual stuff, fever, coughing, headaches, like those could be signs of any of those guys.
But don't rule any other symptoms out either, even if it just feels like burnout.
If you're having allergies at this time of the year, it's probably could be one of those guys too, because some people I know personally have had COVID recently. All they had was a nasal congestion. You can feel a little bit more tired than usual. Maybe it's because you partied too much, maybe because you picked up one of those viruses.
He recommends just putting on the mask to stay safe.
When I'm at the supermarket, or if you go to the mall, or you go to any of the big department store right now, I would strongly advise as much as you can, wear the mask, not only for yourself, but also for the others.
A couple more things to keep in mind, Dr. Anthony says. COVID is contagious 2 days before you ever show symptoms. And RSV is especially dangerous in children. If they have difficulty breathing, head to the emergency room immediately. I'm Sam Smink for Channel 3 Eyewitness News.